Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HUSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So as of right now, things are looking pretty shaky. And now let me take a step back. Just because a certain pattern forms does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to behave in a certain manner. That would imply a guarantee, and guarantees don't exist. However, when it comes to, is it at least a rational thought to be having? Is it at least a valid, thought? Yeah, absolutely. And as of right now, things are looking very, very shaky. The bottom portion, so let me just get this pattern drawn up, and let me change this to green, because this would be the support portion of the pattern where the buyers have been hanging out. And then the other part is where things get a little bit more bearish due to the downwards nature here of this trend line. So right there. And let me just move this in here a little bit to make it a little bit more proportional. So what we have here is known as a descending triangle. And again, just because it's a descending triangle does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to push further to the downside. But like I said, it's a valid thought to be having, and that is where $3 comes into play, because that is basically the bottom portion of this pattern here. I take that back. More so 285. So 285 is going to be the bottom portion of the pattern, and that's going to be a level that a lot of people are watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It's a situation where if the price is broken, it can definitely create a lot of downside selling pressure and, very dynamic movements. Now, that's, again, not guaranteed, but, that's an area that 285 you should be watching. However, to be fair, maybe the bulls are all going to suddenly wake back up, work their way up to that trend line and get the break up through there. And again, same logic, not guaranteed, but logical to think that if the price can break above that trend line right there, that could very well create quite a bit of upside momentum. I'm not necessarily saying send it back up above $6, but make it, worthwhile from the bullish side of the equation. But as of right now, the 30-minute time, the 30-minute time frame has this descending triangle on it, and we'll see if the bears ultimately win out or if the bulls can make a push back up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.